Hayaan na ang mga pulis na mag-imbestiga. Ito ang pahayag ni Attorney Francisco Pobe, Election Director ng Commission on Elections o COMELEC Region 12. Ito'y patungkol sa nangyayari sa Kiamba, Sarangani Province noong Abril 19 kung saan isang ulong pugot ang natagpuan at inirigalo sa mayor ng nasabing lugar.
I will be more relying on the investigations of the members of the AFP and PNP, but as of yesterday, wala pa silang nabigay na conclusion and findings on whether that incident is really politically connected.
Hindi pa kasi sila sigurado kung konektado ito sa eleksyon. Dagdag niya na kung mapatunayan man sa investigasyon ng pulisya, pwedeng mag-augment dito ng karagdagang personnel.
Well, isa yan sa mga grounds natin on how are we going to assist the area, whether we have to augment the area with members of the PNP or AFP, or to make the necessary adjustment in order to secure not only the election paraphernalia and the personnel but the public as well.
Una nang sinabi ng Kiamba Police na duda silang konektado ito sa politika. Pero nasa red alert na sila para maiwasang may mangyari na naman.
So, hindi din natin masabi na ganun ma'am sa politika kasi since na tong Kiamba, tahimik ang politika dito ma'am.
Samantalang kinukundina ng COMELEC ang nasabing gawain dahil umano buhay ng tao ang nawala.
Well, it has been the standing policy of the commissions that we have to intensify and maximize cooperations with the members of the PNP and AFP who will be responsible in maintaining and upholding the peace and order situations in the area.
Abby Lorenzo, Brigada News.